This video tutorial I will explain scheduled execution time method of TimerTask class. Here I have defined the class reminder timer task, which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined the class timer demo. Here I have created timer object. Here I have created reminder timer task object. Then using schedule method of timer object, I am scheduling reminder timer task repeatedly. Then I am calling schedule execution time method of reminder timer task. This method returns when this reminder timer task is going to execute. Here you can see the scheduled execution time. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.